Welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to we are going in details. We are going to talk about the Primavera P6 software. So this is the first lecture of our course, so let's start on. Let me first as you first need to download the Primavera P6 software. So for that you just simply have to go to website and type over here Primavera P6 software. Okay, so simply go to this website, open this website and download the Primavera P6. I think a Primavera P6 software from over here. Then after downloading your software, what you need to do, you just simply have to log in your details. So let me log in the details. I'm not gonna tell my password as it's secret. So it is loading, and yeah, it has been loaded. So let's start from this title bar. As you can see out here, we have file, then we have edit, we have view, we have project and enterprise, then tools, admin and help. So as you can see over here, here we can open like different project. If you want to open a different project, we can just simply have to click open or close all, or we can also add new projects too. Beside that we have enterprise. So our whole work today, our lecture will be related to enterprise project structure and OBS and this one too. So we are going to talk about these two. So let's open this one. So you can see here we have a project. That project is related to like as you can see, we have written y uh, YVM, that means video editing, video YouTube videos making. Then we have YVE. I have write these all projects, and I have assigned the responsibility, and I have given responsibility to different managers. So as you can see here, we have the responsibility of SEO is will be related to Ayaz. Then we have uh, I have forgotten to add to explain the important information which is here. As you can see, if you want to add new project, we can just simply have to press add. Then we can write on something like name, and it's a code. It's actually an ID, simply written as HBI or 01 like that. And here it has a name. So if you want to its name to be Habib, HABIB, Habibi, so you can give it a name like that. I'm going to delete this, okay, as I don't need this. Beside that we have we can also simply move this, like we can add this project under this. We can move it to upward or downward, so we can do all these things. Here we have another thing, enterprise project OBS. Okay, let me show these all. OBS. So these are actually the names like Akib and Afaq, Ayaz Ali Khan, Mahmood and Sakib. So these are all the people who have the responsibility of YouTube watch time. As you can see here, Akib and Ayaz have responsibility of YouTube videos making and video editing. Then Ayaz have responsibility of, he's an SEO, YouTube videos uploading, monetization apply, 100 YouTube channel mentions. So this is all comes under his category. Mahmood work is to just simply do subscribers, I mean subscribe the video and YouTube, like something like that. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. We will see you in our next video.